If you're not obsessed with growth, you're being destroyed by comfort. Let that sink in. You check your phone first thing in the morning, not because you need to, but because your brain is starving for dopamine. You skip the gym, you avoid that cold shower, you keep pushing the hard conversations for later. Your brain is already addicted. Now flip it. What if you started craving the grind? Like David Goggins running at 4 a.m. while others sleep. Like Kobe in the gym before sunrise. Not because he had to, but because he couldn't not. That's what obsession looks like. When growth becomes oxygen. When you're not chasing comfort anymore. You're chasing clarity, challenge, and the next level of yourself. It's when reading 20 pages feels better than 2 hours of Netflix. When cold showers give you more energy than caffeine ever could. When the pain in your muscles feels like progress carved into your body. You start to feel off when you're not evolving. You feel hungry when you're not challenged, and that's when you've made it. You've rewired your brain. You're no longer addicted to pleasure. You're addicted to becoming unrecognizable. While the world numbs itself with cheap dopamine, you're building something they can't fake. Self-respect, mental armor, relentless hunger. So no, you don't need more comfort. You don't need more balance. You need to wake up and suffer. Deliberately, consistently. Because comfort never changed anyone. But obsession builds monsters. Get addicted to growth and don't look back.